Ang iyo di po, taya.
This court was established, was created, the impeachment court, for the Vice President and Vice President only. This should be her time.
Ano
This
ba?
should be her forum, not our forum here, na ilabas natin ang saloobin natin, mga sagot natin sa mga akusasyon, mga kaso laban sa atin. And this is not also the time, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, na hanapin yung mga kasama nating nawawala, nakakulong. Dapat po doon sa Senado natin.
Yutamo! Yutamo! Bilatsing iloy ka, gago! Yun di po, taka, why are you attacking your fucking colleagues? Why do you attack Senator Robin Padilla just because he wants to clear his name? He is being accused by the fucking NBI, who is a laughing stock of our government today, when they're supposed to be the most high fucking messiah. When it comes to investigation, Senator Robin Padilla should be credible, should have fucking integrity, should be honorable, because that court has been built not only to impeach VP Sara. That court has been built with integrity, honor, for everybody, for the public to have trust in you and to the rest of the fucking judges. Now, if there is now a hearsay or chismis that Senator Robin, or it's being accused of obstruction of justice because he allegedly helped Bato escape Senate, then where is he supposed to clear his name? Take it to the press, take it to Facebook, take it to court? That's fucking stupid. It is not your radio station anymore. That is not your program anymore, where you can rant and attack people, let alone ranting and attacking fucking your own fucking senators there. It is not right for you to belittle them just because they want to clear their name. That is not about emotions. That is not about ranting. That is not about anything else. That is to uphold the integrity of the court. If someone is being accused of a crime, you cannot just fucking, you do not have fucking integrity, you are not credible. Then what are you supposed to do? To have fucking judgment and not be fucking partial. He is not supposed to fucking be given importance to explain himself. Saan sa mag-explain sa Facebook? You have to remember, you are not an announcer anymore, Mr. Erwin Tulfo. You are so fucking furious because this 26 minutes you consider is a waste of time. You could not even get yourself to fucking investigate flood control when you fucking stole the Blue Ribbon Committee from Marcoleta, who was so fucking adamant and ready and focused to find the fucking culprits who received fucking money of the taxpayer people. You are not in proper decorum when you were fucking insulting Senator Robin Padilla. You did not have that fucking right. The Filipino people has the right to fucking know. Bakit siya na-allege sa obstruction of justice? It is the fucking proper time and forum and place for that matter for him to fucking say his piece. Pupunta siya, mag-explain sa ng self sa korte. Kagagusi mo. You should be given, each of you should be given a fucking time, at least 26 minutes, to explain yourself. Why don't you fucking explain about your fucking ill-gotten wealth? Where the fuck did you get your fucking jet planes? How in the hell are you able to fucking maintain lifestyle with 10 fucking mistresses and countless bastards? Where the fuck did you get the money to pay your fucking countless staffs? You are telling people that 400 million, you were able to save it by being a fucking cheap broadcaster? Who the fuck are you kidding? You're not even a fucking seasoned journalist. You are a mere fucking vlogger during your time even. Nag-fake ka ng pangalan mo sa Amerika, you were not able to explain it. You do not have integrity. You fucking announce to the world that you love your wife and you do not have any mistress, when in fact I have all the evidence that you presented another woman, your mistress and your bastard in Senate. If there is someone that should not be given this fucking honor, that is you. Wala ka sa integridad. You do not have any moral ascendancy. You cannot explain your fucking self why you presented your mistress in Senate. Ang nilista mo, ang totoo mo nga asawa, tapos ang dinala mo sa opisina mo, kabit mo. So where do you fucking get the audacity and the gall to insult Robin Padilla? Bilatsing Iloy, you want everybody to be in jail in order for Sara Duterte to get convicted. It is not going to happen. You will never get the 16 votes. According to our constitution, no matter what it is, unless a seat of a Senate has been terminated or it is vacant, it will always stay as 24 senators. Kahit ikulong niyo pa silang lahat, basta hindi vacated, wala patay, 24 pa rin. Ikakount niyo pa rin si Bato, ikakount niyo pa rin si Jinggoy, ikakount niyo pa rin si Marcoleta. That is the Constitution and you cannot simply bend that fucking law. Gago kang bilatsing iloy mo. You do not even have the heart and conscience to talk about flood control. You refuse to talk about it. That is the job assigned to you. You cannot, you refuse. It's not that you cannot. You don't want, you are abusing this fucking position was given to you. You do not know any shit in Senate. You complain about your own colleague, you attack your own colleague for a 26 minute that he needs to fucking make sure to uplift his honor, to maintain the integrity and pride of your fucking court. And now for you, he should not have been given that fucking privilege. Why? Bilatsing iloy, ginapato-patuan sa istorya si Ruben, hindi pwede magsalita. Bilatsing iloy mo, in 26 minutes, fucking explain where the fuck did you get 400 million? Hama ka lang di putang, anong sir, may 400 million ka, tumaas ang salin mo nung nagkaroon, ikaw sang ano mo, party list mo na ASIC, saan mo kinuha ang perang yun? Hindi mo nga mapag-usapan, you are covering flood control scandal by this stupid impeachment where you fucking people is spending 70 million a day. Na dapat ang 17 million, binigay nyo yun sa mga tao na gutom. Sa PGH, yung mga tao na hindi makabili sa mga antibiotic. You're spending our money for shit. Gago ka. Wala ka na ganin sa ngipin. Ang diputa ka, hindi ka pa marunong maglagay sa magandang biner. Inubos ang alput mo nga kirida nga si Vanessa Ira. Gago. Bilatsing iloy ng mga tao. Mayo lang gid correct. Mabuti na lang hindi nanalo ang kapatid niya nga si Ben Tulfo. Kaya tandaan nyo to, magpatangbo presidente si Rapi Tulfo, Bilatsing Iloy, dapat isiro sila na magkakapatid. Sila na ang nagpaano lahat ko nga content, lahat ko nga vlog na roon, na nandoon ang kanilang mga kabit, ginpa report sa mga Bilatsing Iloy. Every post I had, every video clip, every fucking live, doon sila nag-concentrate. Bilatsing Iloy, 1 milyon nga troll ang nag-report sa aking 2.5 million, and you think you could stop my mouth? No. My tongue is still going to run on a treadmill as long as I am alive. Habang hindi nyo ko napapapatay ang Bilatsing Iloy nyo, I will always have my fucking Facebook. Bendalo ang Bilatsing Iloy, ang iyong tarugo, ang titi mo lang nga supot, ang nagbibend, gago. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord Jesus. So this is our recent situation now, guys. We are being governed by an addict. A fucking person who is obsessed of power. A greedy president who refused to give up his seat as long as he is breathing. And actually created a fucking monster, a body double to represent him. And even I am being judged or whatever about him, about his existence, I still believe that it's not BBM anymore. I know that it's not him anymore. The BBM has long been gone, but these people are still lying to our fucking face. Just look what is going on now. In the next few days, it is going to be the state of the nation. And it has been 1 year already when he said, mahiya naman kayo. So ngayon, ano na ngayon ang sponsor? Ano nang continuation? Mahiya naman kayo? Wala ka pang napapakulong, Bilatsing Iloy ka, after the self-confess. Martin Romualdez, you did not do shit. From 13 trillion to 23 trillion na ngayon ang utang ng Pilipinas. Tapos sasabihin na mas ano ngayon ang Pilipinas, mas peaceful. Yuta, sarili niyong tao, ginapapatay nyo. Plastic si Risa Bigaon, gago si Trililing. Masama, kunyari, ang mukha niya napatay ang isa nila taga-aw-aw. Meron kayong panahon, magbilis ang kabaong samputang ina ni nga balahura, nga alpot, nga high school graduate. Ang Bilatsing Iloy yung nga aso nyo, grabe ang pakikiramay sa mga putang ina na nag-utos para sabihin na si VP Sara nagpalaglag, si Tatay Digong bastusin, pitikin ang itlog ni Tatay Digong, mga putang ina. Tapos yung tao nga rider, hindi nyo napuntahan kay Skyfresh, wala kayong binigay galing sa MY San. and you call yourselves public servants? No, you are not public servants. You are fucking leeches that all you want to do is to stay in power so you could steal and steal our fucking tax money. Ang mga ginbuno, di puta, ang namatay. Ang bilat sing Iloy ito nga rider, hindi nyo malang pinuntahan, putang ina nyo, tapos ngayon ang gaga nga sinto-sinto nga si Claire pumunta sa lamay, ginawa nila komedisyo, alpat! Bilat sing Iloy, ang balakura nga squatter nga adiktos, bilat sing Iloy, walang ginawa sa mundong ito. Walang anak na binubuhay. Ang magbalahura lang kay BP Sara, ginpuntahan sa mga bilat sing Iloy, ikaw, Rapi Tulfo, gago ka. Nagkamaligid ko nga gimbuto ta ka. Kamusang gago mo nga kapatid. Hindi ka ganito nagpakita, bilat si Iloy, kasi hindi na ganon ka ano. Hindi ganon ka controversial ang pagkapatay sang rider, pero ngayon present ka. Sa lamay sang bilat sing Iloy nga balahura nga taon nyo, askal nyo. Arisaw, napunta-punta sila sa burol, ginasakyan nila ngayon ang balita because of course they are going to try to pin this down to VP Sara. I am not going to be surprised if one of these days they're going to say that, oh, we have caught already the murderers, and these murderers are going to fucking confess that the mastermind is VP Sara. That is what's going to happen. So we are not going to be surprised anymore. You know what I mean? Arisaw, gago yaw. Nagsigaw-sigaw kang yun di puta. Hindi mo lang radio station. Go back to the pantry where you belong. Siloy mo. Sino ito nag-send sa akin man? Si Gwen, dali. Arisaw. Present saw ang tupad ya ang adiktos nga si Milo Yap nga nag-itot kay Beverly nga bigaon, ayan o. Rafi, this is my question to you. Where the fuck is your fucking conscience? A guy who was a child, who has autistic, very poor people, didn't have a car, didn't fucking have regular income, was stabbed, seen on CCTV. The culprit is already in fucking jail. No one is going to take care of the baby. Na wala na sang nanay kag tatay, hindi man lang kayo nagpadala bilat sing Iloy isang imwaysan nga Skyflex. Or kahit palang di puta, kape 3-in-1. Pero ngayon, dahil to sa nagasigaw-sigaw nga balahura yung bilat sing Iloy yung nga tuta, napatay lahat kayo pumunta doon. Dahil siya nautusan nyo sa nga murahin si Tatay Digong balasubasin. Pero ang isa nga yun, grabe. Nagakayod mula umaga hanggang gabi, ni isa sa inyo walang pumunta. Putang ina kayo, ito ang mga tao nga wala malasakit. Rafi, I really thought you were somebody. Kaya na-frustrate ako sa kanya. Nalaman ko nga may iskabitche ka dito, na binilhan mo sang 45 million worth ng apartment dito na isa ka stewardess. Nalaman ko nga may mga anak ka sa labas. Akala ko talaga perfect ang bilat sing Iloy. Nga daw, he could be, a leader. And come to find out, ganito ka pala kabulok. Kayong magkakapatid. Simulat sa pool pa pala, mga puro na kayo lahat extortionists. Instead of exposing people that has been poisoning our country, this fucking people who's been building empires of shabu, laboratory all over the Philippines, you did not expose them. You have the intelligence and you have all chances in the world to expose these fucking criminals. You didn't. You took money from them instead of exposing them. You blackmailed congressmen, governors, sa mga baho nila, sa lahat ng mga esprikitik ng mga taong matataas when you were still in front of the camera and in front of a microphone. You did not care about Filipino people. You were using our emotions. What you did was you took advantage of our weaknesses, especially the OFW, because we are far away from home. You made us believe that you were someone that we could actually rely on, but we couldn't. Kayo pala ang mga demonyo nga magkakapatid. Ginahian mo pa. Ginahian mo ang mga waitress kag ang mga puk man sila pero hindi nila deserve hian. Binabayaran mo nga sila nga para himasin ang itlog mo habang lasing ka. Binabayaran mo sila pero tao pero sa the end of the day ginahian mo sila Rapi. Ganon kakasapat. You abandon your wife, your original wife, and you abandon your daughter. So it is not a surprise anymore finding this out that you could also abandon the people of the Philippines by fucking lying to our faces. Tapos, I don't know if it's real. Kasi hindi naman official nga nagsalita si Claire. Hindi naman official ang post na nagsalita. Siya wag pangunahan ng Pangulo. Huy, bilat sing iloy mo. Kindness should not just come from a fucking official. It could come from anybody. Mahiya kayo kay Ivana. Nauna pa doon sa inyo si Ivana. Magtulong kayo. Ano? Di puta, kahit patis, bilat sing iloy, sos, wala nagdating doon. Kahit yung di puta na malang kamunsil, wala nagdating doon, pero lahat ang mga alpot nagpa-istariray sa bigaon nga si Alicia. Si Alicia ngayon, pinipindir sa nitaning. Si Alicia ngayon, kinakanto to sa sang isa, kalibo, bilat sing iloy, nga mga kabataan ni Taning, ang alpot nga si Alicia. Nabubulok ngayon ang alpot sa asupre. 24 years old and she is already a con-fucking artist. You groomed that woman, that girl. She is not fucking that mature yet. She is only 24, didn't fucking know what she was doing. You took advantage of her being stupid by using her to attack VP Sara now. This is a silent, admission that you were behind her. Because why were you there? Why were you there? Why are you giving her this fucking favor? You did not give a fuck when she was alive. You did not post her. You did not thank her like what Kiko did. This King Kong. Maraming salamat, Alicia, sa pagganito mo sa akin. You did not fucking know her before. You didn't give a fuck about her before. You did not even thank her on your page. Ngayon kay patay na, she will not hear you. Ngayon kay patay na marami ka ng salita, bilat sa ngilo, yung paplastik, ipokritong mga buisit. Sino? Mga diputa. Kaya inis na inis, giko ni sa mga bilat singilo. Tsura ni, ikaw tigulang ka na rapi, bilat singilo. Baka ikaw next mamatay. Excuse me. Dali lang guys ha. Oo, 24 pa lang siya from itsura sang diputa. Ya daw kwa na. Tsura sang bilat sing ilo. Ya daw 77 na. Napulot nila sa basurahan. This girl apparently found a fucking way to get by. That's what happened. She was used and now she got killed. Paano bi kuno sa BBM, buloy, matsugi, mapaihaw, kababoy, ay bilot sing iloy. Kung siya ang matsugi, maublas, ko dahil, pak! Ginauod si Alicia nga baho, putay, kagaya kaya declare correct. Ay, aba, wala man ni nagahulag ang stars, you guys, man. What's going on? Dagdagan yung stars, you be. Gintaro trading na siya, Loy, hindi niya daw mabato, napatay siya. Hindi niya mabaton. You have to accept it, lady. She reaped, yes, correct. She reaped what she saw. And you die according to how you lived. That's the thing. Kaya I'm really trying to live a better life. Sa true lang. Yeah. You are going to get out of this world according to how you lived. Ay, hindi ko pala nainom. Ang sadali lang guys, hindi ko nakainom sa high blood pressure ko nga medicine. Frankie! O, tapos na. Tapos ang show niya. Bilatsing Iloy. Ang inyo stars mababay na lang po yung mag-amunin. Oo, sabi nila kay tatay sakot-sakot, pangalpot siya. Tatay mo karton, tatay mo karton. Sabi sa alpot, ikaw ngayon ang nasa kahon. Tatay mo karton, sabi sa alpot, ikaw ngayon ang nasa kahon. Bilatsing Iloy. Oh. Happy trip na lang sa'yo, Alicia in the Wonderland. Pagkatapos, pag nalibing ka, you will be a story. Like, not even a story. Forgetfulness ka na nito sa mga diputa ng mga politiko. Pero, somehow, ano din siya kasi she's poor eh. She's poor. She came from she comes from a financially challenged. You would tell. Bakit pa English ako ng English? Mundo kagina po ako English sanay. Kalawi gabi sa istoryanay namon sang nanay ni Daddy Books pila ka oras. Nai-influence ako sa iya nga Canadian accent. Pila ka oras mo Australia may cancer sa kunod sa sabtong ko sa you've been telling me. Ay alam niyo ang ngalan sang nanay ni Daddy Books is Sarah. So malalapitin talaga ako sa mga Sarah. Ang papel ni Trillanes sa Lamay, syempre siya ang promotor. Tao niya lang si Alicia in the Wonderland. Nandoon naman sa, Trillanes, you are not a senator anymore. What the fuck are you doing? You have no title anymore. Nagapapapil ka lang putang ina mo, wala ka naman papel di liyak, papel di hapon. Nakasave sa, tatay nyo karton, tatay nyo garapon, sabi sa alpot, ikaw ngayon, ang nasa kabaong. Gagagaga. Ganon ang mangyayari. Ay, hindi pwede. Kahit magpanggap sila. Hey? Hey? Cole? Cole? Cole! Okay, hi everybody. Hi everybody. Come in. Hi. Hi. Here, baby. Okay. Here. Hey, come here. Cooper, come here, Cooper. Cuckoo. Cooper Chase. Oh, you want water? Come here. Hey. Okay, you wait for Dada. Water. Tingala ko mong grabe at aghulara gali ang mga utod. Correct. She won't even be a story. Tama na, dubaha lang siya dadaan, tapos wala na, tay shi. Dad, hey! Hello? Come here, mommy. Hello? Dad, I think they want to drink. Paano sa mga abswelto? Ang pagnanakaw nila kahit magpakuno-kuno, pa sa nga mabuang, nasa sa 2028, nung tinanggap niya ang pera, she was sound and mind. She was of sound and mind. Huwag siyang Tali na siya, nagutom ako guys. Baby? Can you put the The pork in, turbo, please. Jetro, nakita sang idol, sang idol si Alice, ang bilat sing iloy mo. Ano, di ba pakita sa ko si Alice, yuta? Oh, ang sa next, na ano, to